Hello friends, today we will discuss about process. Let's first definition. A transition from one equilibrium state to another is called process. Process has different types. Number one, isothermal process, isobaric process, isochoric process, adiabatic process, reversible process and irreversible process. We can discuss one by one. Number one, isothermal process. In this case, iso means same or constant. Thermal means temperature. Therefore, definition is a process in which temperature of the system remains constant throughout transformation is called isothermal process. Therefore, the change in temperature or temperature both are constants. That means T is equal to 0 and therefore delta T also equal to 0. That means constant. In this process, heat flows in the surrounding or surrounding to system to keep constant temperature. You know that internal energy depends upon temperature. Hence, temperature is constant. Therefore, the internal energy of system also constant. The internal energy is denoted by U is equal to 0. Change in temperature is constant. Therefore, change in internal energy is also constant. That means delta U is equal to 0. Okay. Now, the next process, isobaric process. Baro means pressure. Definition, a process in which pressure of the system remains constant during transformation is called isobaric process. In this process, the change in pressure is equal to 0. That means constant. Example, a reaction in open container at constant atmospheric pressure. Now we see the third process, isochoric process. Core means volume. Therefore, definition is a process in which volume of the system remains constant during change. That means delta V is equal to 0. Change in volume is 0. Example for isochoric process is a reaction in closed container. Okay. Then now we can see adiabatic process. Definition, a process in which there is no exchange of heat between system and surrounding is called adiabatic process. This process is completely insulated. That means it is thermally isolated. We can see explanation about adiabatic process. If the process is exothermic, the heat is evolved that rises temperature. And if the process is endothermic, temperature falls. That means the internal energy of the system increases or decreases. We know that the internal energy depends upon temperature. Therefore, in this process, the heat constant, that means Q is equal to 0. Now we can see the fifth process, reversible process. First we can see example. Let a gas is placed in a cylinder fitted with movable piston. Suppose P(Ext) is external pressure, that is pressure on piston, while P is the pressure of gas. At this time, external pressure and internal pressure both are equal. Hence, there is no expansion or no compression of gas. This system is said to be in mechanical equilibrium with the surrounding. That means the pressure of the system do not change with time. This equilibrium is called as mechanical equilibrium. Consider the external pressure reduced. Watch here clearly. Here is some weight on this piston, and in second figure we can reduce the weight. Therefore, let the external pressure reduced by infinitesimal, that means extremely small amount. Thus, piston slowly upward and allowing gas expand. Okay, here clearly. If external pressure is increased, watch here in this figure, than P, then piston moves. Inward, allowing gas compression. Thus, infinitesimal change causes process becomes reversible. Then the process is said to be thermodynamically reversible. Okay, we can see the definition of reversible process. Very simple definition. A process is conducted in such a way so that at every stage the driving force due to pressure is infinitesimally greater than the opposing force due to external pressure, and which can be reversed by a slight change in slight means extremely small change of the opposing force is called reversible process. Okay, in this case, what is infinitesimal? Infinitesimal means extremely small, or it may be say that slightly, that means it is very very small, we can't measure it. Now we can see the features of reversible process. There are only few features, we can see one by one. First feature is the driving and opposing forces are slightly differ from each other. Both forces are slightly differ from each other. The process, second, process can be reversed by infinitesimal change in condition. Third feature, it proceeds infinitely slow, that means very slow. Next feature, it takes place in infinite number of steps. And now last feature, that means fifth feature, it attains mechanical equilibrium with the surroundings at the end of every stage.